Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your automation with Zapier for client onboarding, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zapier account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on Make a Zap in the upper right corner. Select a trigger app that suits your client onboarding process. For example, you might choose a form tool like Google Forms or Typeform. Connect your chosen app to Zapier. Follow the prompts to authenticate your account. Next, define the specific trigger event, such as a new form submission. Test the trigger to ensure Zapier can pull in sample data. Now, move on to the action step by clicking on Add an Action. Here, select the app you want to perform an action in, like a project management tool. Authenticate this second app as you did with the trigger app. Choose the specific action you want Zapier to take based on your trigger. For instance, you can create a new task or send a welcome email. Map the required fields from the trigger app to the action app. This may include client details, project information, or any other relevant data. Once that's completed, hit the Test Action button to ensure everything works as intended. If the test is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Now it's time to give your Zap a name that reflects its purpose. Make sure the Zap is set to On so it can start running immediately. Review any additional settings, such as filters or scheduling, if necessary. Finally, click the Turn on Zap button to activate your automation. Your client onboarding process is now updated and streamlined with Zapier. Monitor the Zap's activity periodically to ensure it continues to run smoothly. Make adjustments as needed based on client feedback or changes in your process. And that's how you can efficiently update your automation for client onboarding using Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.